And now, news. Correct news on Top Correct FM. News sharp on Top Correct FM.
Independent National Electoral Commission INEC don talk say dem no go shift the date for presido election upon the latest fire gbege wey destroy plenty smart card reader machines wey dey set for 2019 elections. INEC chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu, wey be say one of the national commissioners, Mr. Festus Okoye, represent as they open the main election monitoring place for civil society organizations (CSOs), talk say the fire gbege na setback to their plan, but e no reach to affect the whole election waka. Accident Investigation Bureau (AIB) don release early report of choking eye into the helicopter accident wey involve Vice President Yemi Osinbajo for Kaba inside Kogi State. For the report, AIB talk say the crew lose eye contact with ground when plenty dust wey gather because dem land for sandy area swallow the helicopter. Dem say the choking eye still dey on, but the big oga for the group, Akin Olatero, ask Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority (NCAA) to issue word to helicopter operators on the effect of this kind dust wey dem dey call brownout and how to reduce am. Tori come out say Boko Haram people shoot Governor Kashim Shettima convoy and then kill at least 3 people. Official sources talk say the government begin dey shoot the convoy where they carry the governors in their road from the state capital Maiduguri go the market town of Gamboru for rally. E never clear who the gunmen be, but they say that they suspect say na the Islamist group carry out the attack.
News sharp from Obodoyibo.
Ogas don talk say they don see the body of 5 people from pits wey collapse for illegal gold mine inside northeastern Liberia. Dem believe say like 35 people still dey miss after the gbege happen. The gold field for Nimba County na major place for backyard bronze mining. One U.S. District Court Judge Amy Berman Jackson don talk say Donald Trump former election campaign oga Paul Manafort break im plea deal with special lawyer Robert Mueller as he give lie word to FBI, Mr. Mueller office and grand jury. Mr. Mueller dey chook eye into whether Russia run parole for 2016 U.S. election. This one come mean say Manafort fit get harsher sentences or they go bring back the cases wey dey against am.
News sharp on Top Sports Waka.
Houston Rockets player James Harden don get in 31 back-to-back 30-point game on Thursday wey make am tie with Wilt Chamberlain for second longest run inside NBA. No other player for NBA don get more than 7 40-point games.
If you no hear am on Top Correct FM,
e don happen at all?
Make you check again if e don happen. The countdown don start. 2 days na remain before election. You don get your PVC? You don ready for this election? Shine your eyes when you dey vote o. Make your vote count. This na message from Correct FM.